How to use WhatsApp Web on PC on Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to access and use WhatsApp directly from your browser, step by step. First, open your Chrome browser on your Windows 11 PC. After that, go to web.whatsapp.com in the address bar. Let me show you. From there, you'll see a QR code displayed on the screen. Keep this tab open. At this point, pick up your Android device and open the WhatsApp app. At this stage, point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your PC screen. Following this, once the QR code is scanned successfully, WhatsApp Web will load automatically on your PC. Once done, you'll now see all your WhatsApp chats on your PC screen. Click on any conversation to open it. From there, click on the message box at the bottom and type your message. Press Enter to send it. And that's it. If this guide helped you use WhatsApp Web on PC, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.